In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning AI images with Leonardo. We'll delve into the intricacies of crafting the perfect prompt, which is arguably the most essential element in achieving breathtaking results. Think of this process as directing an imaginative movie where every detail matters, from the subject and scene to the art style and mood. Let's unravel these components step by step to help you master the art of prompt crafting. Let's start with the subject, the main protagonist in your AI-generated image. Being specific here is crucial. Consider not just what the subject is, but also its action and appearance. For example, imagine a majestic owl adorned with a tiny crown. This attention to detail sets the groundwork for a distinctive and compelling image. Now, picture this owl flying. This action adds dynamism and depth to your visual story. Once you have your subject, it's time to breathe life into the scene. The setting acts like a stage, framing your subject within a world of your choosing. Describe the environment with as much clarity as possible, considering elements like the time of day and the atmosphere. For instance, envision our crowned owl soaring over a neon-lit futuristic city under the midnight sky. This vibrant, imaginative backdrop instantly elevates the image, providing context and mood. Next comes the style or medium, a critical factor in determining the visual aesthetic of your image. This could range from digital painting to a hyper-realistic depiction, depending on the desired outcome. Let's take our owl and place it within the realm of digital painting, enhanced with hyper-detailing and volumetric lighting reminiscent of an Unreal Engine rendering. Such specific direction can transform a basic image into a stunning piece of art. Artistic modifiers are the next tools in your creative arsenal. These magic words help boost the visual quality with enhanced detail and lighting. Use terms like sharp focus, high contrast, and cinematic lighting to add polish and clarity. You can even target a technological quality by throwing in descriptors like 8K and photorealistic, which can really push the image's visual impact to an extraordinary level. Lastly, don't forget about the negative prompt. This is where you specify elements you wish to exclude, filtering out unwanted distractions. For instance, you might want to avoid blurry, distorted, or low-quality images. By explicitly stating what you don't want, such as extra limbs, watermarks, or ugliness, you can prevent common artifacts and help the AI focus on generating a pristine final result. Combining all these components creates a powerful prompt formula. Picture it as your subject in action, set against a particular backdrop, enriched with mood and lighting choices, and depicted in a specific art style, all while fine-tuning technical aspects and excluding undesirable features. Mastering the art of the prompt with these guidelines will open the doors to limitless creative possibilities with Leonardo AI. Try crafting your own imaginative scenarios today, and watch as your vision comes to life like never before.